Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Mammee, just on the outskirts of Ocho in St. Anne. And this is a mega development that China Harbour Engineering Company is doing. Now, China Harbour Engineering Company owns the land. They are the contractor and they are the developer. This is their operation that they're doing. Now, straight ahead behind those trees is Highway 2000 North-South Leg, which is a toll road that takes you from Kingston to Mammee. Below us is another coastal highway that takes you from Mammee all the way back to Portland. So this development is ideally located in what you call prime real estate. Straight ahead is the Mammee roundabout where they are going to be putting in a major interchange to connect both highways. Now, this piece of land is also very controversial because a lot of discussion has been had about this land. So, I want to ask you guys a question. Do you think it was a good deal for the then government, which was the PNP, to give this land to China Harbour Engineering Company? So let's go through what happened. The government had built Highway 2000 East-West leg from Kingston to Mammee or Sandy Bay at the time. Worked well. The same company, a French company, then started to build Highway 2000 North-South leg from Kingston to Mammee. But they got into difficulties and they were not able to finish. So the project had stalled. Now the government, in an attempt to get the highway finished, went to China Harbour Engineering Company. Now, China Harbour Engineering Company is one of the largest contractors in the world. But they never bid on the Highway 2000 East-West leg or any other highway projects in Jamaica up until that time. So the government went to CHEC, which is China Harbour Engineering Company, and said, can you finish this highway? The French company cannot finish it. CHEC said, yes, we can do it. We have two conditions. One, we'll pay for the highway. The building of the highway will pay the French contractor for the work they did already. We will pay to build the highway, but you have to give us a concession for 50 years to collect toll on the highway. 50 years. And you have to give us 1,200 acres of land beside the highway. So the government said yes. Remember now, this is back in early 2000. This area was not developed. You never had this kind of development taking place around or on the north coast. So the government did it, and China Harbour Engineering Company specifically asked for this piece of land that they are now building on. Now the government said to China Harbour Engineering Company, we will give you the land, but you have to develop it. You cannot sell it. You cannot use it as a loan guarantee. Cannot use it to guarantee a loan. That's the highway we're looking at there now. The toll road, Highway 2000 North-South leg. China Harbour Engineering Company built that highway. And now they are ready to, well, they have started to build their development out here by Mammee. And the environmental lobby groups were so against it because this development is very close to Duns River Falls. But as you can see, the development has started, so that means NEPA has signed off on it and the necessary approvals were given. So, now that we see the value of this land and the entire area, we have to really ask, was it a good deal to give CHEC 1,200 acres of land? Because no other highway in Jamaica has had such a contingency. In other words, China Harbour Engineering Company came, built the highway, and they got the land. And they stayed in Jamaica and they continue to build all the highways. However, they've never asked for land to be a part of the deal in building any other highway or road or building in Jamaica. So, guys, what do you think? Do you think it was a good deal to give them the land, or should they just have given them the concession to collect the toll on the highway? And you also have to ask the question, would China Harbour Engineering Company have come to Jamaica without getting this land? But this is prime real estate, and it's over, I think, 400 units that they're going to be building here. Some high-rise, not high-rise, 4-floor towers. Very, very, very nice development. We'll keep you guys updated on this. So guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.